called kamsha in our language. We use it when we ride horse.
Ah, okay.
Nowadays it's just a symbol.
This is for you.
I love this.
National cap and the chapan.
Okay, what's the national food that all Kazakh love? Name
How do you pronounce it? Fish? That should be, that's good. Rahmet. My favorite.
Kazakhstan 4 or 5 times to Almaty, to
So you're
Astana,
an experienced food fan.
and even got stuck in Karaganda one
I'm
night.
from Karaganda.
Are
This is
you?
my yeah.
Almaty, oh my gosh, it was so beautiful when we woke up and
Yeah,
saw the mountains.
mountains,
It was so gorgeous.
amazing.
It was so beautiful, and people are so lovely there too. So and the food was delicious. First time I've eaten horse.
Yeah.
Oh wow, excellent.
Nobody give you a
Nobody gave me chocolate.
Okay.
Delicious. Thank you.
Salam Kazakhstan.
Oh,
Yeah, Rahmet.
Study as your freedom.
oldum ya. Harikasınız.
symbol state.
And we are neighbors. I come from China.
Hi, America.
Kazakhstan!